Okay, good afternoon, everybody. And so I'm Andrew Bickley, and I'm from Arrow Electronics, and I'm the Director of IoT for Europe. And a lot of you are going to be familiar with Arduino, some of you less familiar with Arrow. So we're a $27 billion company, and we're a technology provider, a platform provider of technology, particularly relevant to IoT in this discussion today. So how do we fit in with Arduino? How does Arrow fit in with the Arduino community? Well, there's a big step that a lot of the pro Arduino users and technical entrepreneurs need to make. And it's that step where you want to go from your idea to a product reality, where you want to go from that product concept to production, professional grade product that you can launch into the market, you can scale, and you can make a business out of that. Now, these steps are really critical, and these steps can lead to companies' failure. So what Arrow is doing in combination with Arduino is giving the technical entrepreneurs access to all of the resources that you actually need to go from that product concept and product idea to a professional product that you can sell and make a business out of that. So that relationship with Arduino just doesn't stop there. We've brought a third element into that, and that element is called Indiegogo. Now, Indiegogo is one of the largest crowdfunding platforms that's in the business today. And technical entrepreneurs are going onto these platforms, and they're posting their campaigns and their ideas and raising money to fund their developments and their successful projects. And what we've done is introduced a certification program, which is where technical entrepreneurs can go onto Indiegogo and apply for Arrow certification. Now, what Arrow certification does is a lot of professional engineers who are skilled at understanding how do you go from product concept through to production, they're actually looking at the designs and they're giving these designs a certification. And that certification is saying feasibility for manufacturing. Now, that gives people a badge to put on their campaign on Indiegogo so that campaigners and the backers can look at this and say, hey, this product has been certified by Arrow, which means it's feasible for manufacturing, so it has a higher probability of success. Now, tech entrepreneurs who use the Arrow certification program within Indiegogo generate typically 84% of more funding than tech entrepreneurs which don't use the certification process, but also they're 4.5 times more likely to reach their campaign goals. So, you know, it's a really good idea to design with Arduino, use that simplicity of design, to use Indiegogo to try and drive your product into getting the funding so that you can go to a manufactured product, and then use all of the resources of Arrow, whether that's engineering or production services or supply logistics, so that you can be successful with your product. So, we've seen a lot of great designs already going to production with Arduino. So my message to the Arduino community today is we want more. We want more of you to be successful. So what we're doing is we're launching a competition, a campaign, and it's the Internet of Arduino Challenge. And we want you to be able to go online and apply to win a total of $50,000 of funding for a project that you think is going to be good and is required into the market. So what I'm going to do is run a video about a company which has done exactly this and has gone on to produce a successful product. And at the same time, in the video, we're going to officially launch the Internet of Arduino Challenge. So if we can go ahead and run the video, please.
From design to development, the Tersa Steam was a winning idea. They started with an Arduino because it was the perfect platform for prototyping. More efficient, user-friendly, just like their clothing care product.
Tersa Steam is the world's first wall-mounted 10-minute clothing care system, and it's easy as your single-cup coffee maker.
Arduino is great because you're easily able to alter the code. It's super intuitive, and when you don't know very much about electrical engineering, it comes handy.
The Arrow certification program helped Tersa refine the design for their clothing care solution to take it to production. Indiegogo helped Tersa raise more than 200% of their crowdfunding goal. Now it's your turn. Calling all creators, designers, and entrepreneurs, the Internet of Arduino Challenge is now open. The possibilities are endless with Arduino. Pair that with the engineering and production resources from the Arrow certification program, and you can have the next successful Indiegogo campaign.
Honestly, I don't think we would have Tursa Steam without an Arduino.
Submit your design now, and you could win $50,000 in funding. Entry starts May 12th and ends August 31st. Go to arrow.com/Arduino.
So the Arduino Internet Challenge is officially launched, and go to arrow.com/Arduino to see the information that you need to qualify. So you submit your idea, we'll look at that idea, we'll look to give it an Arrow certification. You know, you post your campaign onto Indiegogo. It has to be a campaign which is certified. You know, tell your network that you did a design, get them to vote for your design through the autumn of this year, and then by January, we're going to look at the top 5 campaigns which have launched with a certification. We're going to look at those. We're going to select one which is going to win in January $50,000 of funding from Arrow. So please, we encourage you to be the next Tursa Steam that you saw here, the next company which can really turn a product idea into a reality using Arduino, using Indiegogo, and using Arrow. Good luck to everybody with the challenge, and we look forward to seeing those creative ideas coming through. Thank you.